Namaskar, welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, let us learn about factoring services in India and its history and development. Factoring recently entered into Indian financial system. In 1988, the RBI proposed to launch factoring services in India and constituted a study group to examine the feasibility of starting factoring services and factoring business units in the corporate sector in India. The committee submitted its report in 1989 with several recommendations. The following are the some of the recommendations of the study group. The study group said there is sufficient scope for the introduction of factoring services in India. It would be complementary to the existing services provided by the banks. Introduction of export factoring will be a great help to the exporters. Factors should offer services to every sector in the economy. RBI could allow factoring organizations to raise funds from DFHI Ltd or approved financial institutions. The subsidiaries of banks are more suitable to undertake this business. The RBI accepted majority of the recommendations and asked a few public sector commercial banks such as SBI, Punjab National Bank, etc. to take up this business. State Bank of India launched the business through SBI Factors and Commercial Services in April 1991. SBI is the first bank to launch factoring services in India. Later, Canara Bank Factors Ltd got RBI's approval and launched its business in August 1991. SIDBI and Andhra Bank were co-promoters of CFL. Fairgrowth Factors Ltd was the first private company allowed to operate as factor in 1992. In India, factoring services emerged as a great help to small scale industries which face a problem of shortage of working capital. Factor offers a substitute for working capital resources over and above bank loan facilities. Factors in India are offering two types of services: invoice discounting and recourse factoring. Service charges range from 0.5% to 2% of the invoice value. In India, factoring is much cheaper compared to Western factor. Later, several banks and private organizations launched factoring business in India. In India, factoring is governed by the Factoring Regulation Act 2011. The Act was amended in 2020 by passing Factoring Regulation Amendment Bill 2020 to expand the scope of factoring to non-banking financial companies and allowing the factor services to micro, small and medium scale enterprises. More non-banking financial companies are now eligible to offer factoring services to micro, small and medium enterprises. RBI issues guidelines from time to time to improve the quality of factoring services in India. That is all in this video. Next video you are going to learn about the types of factoring. Thank you for watching. God bless you.